Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Facebook posts on different niches and sell this service. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about how you can create inspirational Facebook post on Canva. So guys, you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. You can target offline market. You can go to google.com and search website related to inspiration and ask them that you can maintain their social media presence and they will surely hire you. Or you can grow your own Instagram or Facebook theme pages on Inspirational. So let's go to Canva. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very handy and easy to use. It is easy to learn. If you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I upload the complete series playlist on Canva designing. After watching the playlist, you will surely know everything about Canva. So let's get started. I click on create a design and here I write Facebook post. It gives me different formats, but this square format is mostly used format, so we create on this. After that I click on colors and change the background color to black. It's look good. After that I go to google.com and here I search inspirational quotes. So it shows me different quotes and there is nothing impossible to they who will try. Yeah, this is the best inspirational quote. So I copy this quote and move back to Canva. Now I go to element and I search quote box and let's see some good quote box for this. It's look good. Yeah. Now I paste my quote there. First of all, I would change the font style and now it's look good. It's look good. So this is our simple post. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and grow it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.